What's going on? What's going on, man? It's me, Nate Matthews, back in the building, man. Hey, first off, before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys very much for actually liking the video that I posted last time. I don't know if it's going to be my exact previous video from this one, or, you know, y'all know the one that I asked y'all, please like the video instead of just watching and liking it in your mind, because for the YouTube algorithm, if y'all don't like the video, then they, I guess, not pushing it out. Some of you guys might have noticed maybe that for the longest time I've had my subscriber count hidden, and I hid it kind of like for a reason for me and for like the people, I guess. But it kind of doesn't make any sense to me that I have at this time about 80,000 or so, 82 or whatever thousand subscribers who willingly hit the subscribe button. I don't be doing too many giveaways or giving any incentives to make people subscribe to just try to get something. So people subscribe to my channel for free just because I think they like to see my content, but when I post something, I don't get 80,000 views on every video, not even close to that, right? So I guess what YouTube is kind of doing is, if you post a video to your 80,000 subscribers, instead of 80,000 people getting your video, they're going to send it to, let's say, 25 people, I guess. If none of those 25 people like the video or comment on it or interact with it at all, they just say screw it, and they don't even send it to the rest of the people. So anyways, last time I told you guys what I do with this as a part of my routine, but most of that video was just about lining my beard up. I actually just lined it up again, but today's video is going to be about shaving my head with these. I actually been letting it grow, I would say, for about a week now, and we're going to be using these set on 0, the lowest they can possibly go, to go ahead and shave my head, because once again, normally I would use a safety razor and stuff like that. Same thing I said in the last video, but this time I'm actually going to show you guys. And oh yeah, we got that big old spot right there, man. We got that big old missing spot. I know y'all see that. So we're going to see how close we can get with these. Before I do it though, let me rub some of this grease off my head. Matter of fact, instead of me rubbing the grease off, let me show y'all what I really do. I was going to try not to do this in the video because I am, once again, in a rush. But this is what I'll actually be using. So I used to use the like shaving oil and all that type of stuff to put into my head. But this right here is not shaving oil. This right here is shaving oil. I've showed you guys this. I'll click the card that pops up. Y'all can see me use that. But this is something I've been using in addition to that other oil. But I'm not too sure if I showed you guys this just yet. I've been using this, I don't know how long. I already used a whole jar of it, and then this is my second one. I think, is it my second one? Or I don't remember. I've tried like 2 different ones, but I think I gave the other one away because they like that scent. Anyway, this right here is Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub Coconut Lime, and then the shaving oil actually is the matching scent to this. So it's not like a smell that lasts or anything like that. Once you actually use it, it kind of goes away. But while you're using it, scrubbing it on your head, it does a good job. I don't feel like moving the camera, but the reason I said I was about to rub my head, because I think my head is greasy and I don't want it to get all caught up in these and clogged up and stuff like that. So before I shave my head with the razor or with the clippers, we use this to clean our scalp. And then once we got a very smooth, clean scalp, we'll go ahead and cut the hairs down. So there it is. Not really liquidy. It's more like a gel. Doesn't drip or nothing like that. But we're going to go ahead and throw a little bit of water on our head. And again, if I had time to like fiddle around with the camera, I would. But a lot of dirt actually be coming off my head. So even though your boy be in the shower and all that, I don't really use a towel to like scrub my head. And even when I wash my face in the morning, I kind of just use my hands, so you know it doesn't really get that much dirt out. So this is my way of actually cleaning my face. I do it with a sugar scrub, and sometimes I actually use a salt scrub. So we use a washcloth in the shower. Don't use that anything above my neck. But when we get to the sink, this one we scrub our head and our face. Sometimes got to be careful not to get all this sugar or salt all up in my beard though, so I ain't gonna do like my face right now, but we'll get the forehead. It's a nice good way to take care of your skin. And it'll also help too, because if you use a razor and you're shaving your hair, if you got dirt all on your head and then you're using that razor, it's gonna push it like into your pores, and it might be an issue with causing bumps and dirt and stuff like that, spreading it all around. So anyway, it don't take long. You just rub a little bit on there. Y'all see me, a little drop of it, And then you kind of rub it around until you don't really feel the sugar scrub on there anymore. And then that's how you know it's kind of gone. And then go ahead and rinse your head off. Alright, so that didn't take long. Now we go ahead and dry it off with a towel here. Alright, it's just that simple to go ahead and use this, you know, as like a pre-shave right there. Make sure your scalp is clean once again. Let me reorganize this. And then now we can go ahead and use these. So I did have these sitting on the charger, so we should be at full power. Just like that. And let's get to it. Again, once again, no guard, lowest settings. I think it's getting it pretty good. You do have to do multiple passes though. So I would say this might be a little bit slower than shaving with a razor, but if you're in a place, I guess, maybe where you don't got a razor or you don't feel like using one, or your blade gets dull or something like that on your razor, I think this will do. And it kind of gets it to where you can't even see like all that spot right there. I'll let you guys decide when we're all the way done. Again, y'all see that? I went right to the good part for y'all. Normally I do the sides and everything first, but went right to the back so y'all can see what we're really doing. It does leave a little stubble on there though. Again, we're going to start from right here. Kind of got to stretch your skin out. Do small swipes. Don't go from here and then go all the way up there, because you might snag yourself or it's just not going to cut as good. So do small little passes and just go up a little bit more each time. But yeah, once again, man, thank you guys so much for actually liking the video. You guys not only help me out, like, of course I like to see the thumbs up, right? But the way YouTube works, from what I see, YouTube don't really care what y'all put in the comments. YouTube don't care if you guys like the video or dislike the video. I care. I want y'all to hit the thumbs up button. But YouTube doesn't care if you like it or dislike it. If you just interact and do anything with the video, they count that as interaction and they spread it out to more people. So that's why I'll be telling y'all, like, hey, if you, even if you don't have anything to say, just drop like a emoji or a period or just anything in the comments, you know. But I understand sometimes y'all too may not have anything to say, so at the very least, hitting the thumbs up button helps me out. Because again, I think I've said this numerous times as well, but through multiple of my YouTube channels that I have, I really only use 2 of them right now, but I have like 5 YouTube channels with videos on all of them. But altogether, I definitely have well over 100,000 subscribers, but I ain't got no plaque to show that I got 100,000 subscribers, because the way, you know, they do it, they don't really care about that. But that's what I'm trying to get to. 100,000 subscribers on one single channel. So if y'all could help me out by, you know, maybe even sharing the video, because if I'm correct, when I looked at my stats last time, surprisingly the video at this time, I would guess maybe say like 150 likes, right? Y'all show love. I really appreciate it. But looking at the stats of that, I don't even think that brought in too many new subscribers. So that's all of my original subscribers that actually, you know, listened to the video and said, all right, I guess I can give you a thumbs up on this one. So I rock with y'all for that. But the goal is still to get, you know, 100,000 subscribers. So if I ain't putting out different content to bring in new people, then I might still be in trouble. The money's still good because, you know, the money comes based on the interaction and stuff like that. They don't really care about subscribers, but that's the only way as of now that we can get that plaque. But yeah, y'all gotta let me know how it looks. I think only one person answered the question last time when I said, you know, if it looks bad or not. And maybe if y'all thought it was bad, y'all just hit the dislike button and kept it pushing. I guess I was supposed to know that way. But again, the thing with YouTube, they really don't care if you guys like or dislike the video. And if you guys have been on YouTube for a while, you might also notice that that dislike button, as of now, I don't know if they're gonna bring it back, because there was some good reason to have a dislike button on a video, I think, but of course I don't want to see it. So me as a creator, if anybody dislikes my video, it doesn't even show on like the actual thing, so nobody can see it, not even me. But if I go like deep diving into the portal, I can actually see if anybody disliked the video, but I don't even never go that far to look. But the fact that a dislike button is still there and YouTube knows that nobody can see it, that just, you know, giving people the option to feel like, you know, their opinion matters, which it definitely does matter. It does matter to me. I don't want to put out videos that nobody likes, but I think that's YouTube kind of giving a sign that they really don't care. So you can press the button, but, you know, it ain't making a difference, I guess. But I think I've done enough talking in this video, and I'm just about done. So I'm just going to keep doing the same thing, going over my head in the same spots, and I'll let you guys take a look when we're all done. If you guys are liking what you see so far, do make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. Again, it helps me out. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and check the playlist as well, because I got a lot more videos like this. Alright, I think that's going to be good enough for now. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse my head off. Actually, I'm going to clean the sink first. Then we're going to rinse my head off, and then I'll show you guys the other scrub that I use. I'm not mostly, well, I'll tell y'all that in a minute as soon as I get started. Hold on. Go ahead and re-moisturize the scalp. And for the finisher right here, let me zoom in. My hands are kind of wet though. We are using the Dr. Teal's salt scrub. So the first one was a sugar scrub. This is a salt scrub. Exfoliate and renew with the lavender and Epsom salt. So this is what we're going to use to go ahead and clean our scalp at the end. This one gives a better feeling, I guess, because it has salt in it, so it makes me feel like my scalp is clean. It is not as aggressive. The sugar one is kind of, it doesn't hurt, but you could definitely feel those beads all around your head, and I could feel the salt on it too. But this gives me a more, and the reason I started talking different because this the smell is very strong. But because of the strong smell, it just makes my scalp feel really good. So. And it's very cheap too. I'll put a link to this in the description. I think the other one, yeah, both of them, I think I got links for both of these. I'll put them in the description if you guys want to check them out. And there's a bunch of different scents that you guys can get. I just chose some that I think would smell, you know, pretty good for me. There's a lot of ones that, you know, are for like women, I guess. Or you could use them too. But the scent of them is kind of feminine for me. But these are some good scents. Again, I have coconut lime for the sugar scrub. And again, lavender for the salt scrub. Same deal as the first time. Rub until you kind of feel the beads go away. And then rinse your head off. I ain't even gonna fade my beard in this time. Y'all seen me do that last time. I'll probably do that tomorrow or something. But for those of you who might just be watching this video, for the first time and you've never seen my videos, if y'all want to see me how I fade this in or something, click the card that pops up. But yeah, we're gonna do a full turnaround, let you guys see what we got going here, and make sure I can see y'all too. And y'all gotta let me know how it looks. I think I can probably get away with this. It's definitely not as close of a shave as if I was using a razor. But again, I started doing this shaving with the clippers instead of my razor, because a lot of you guys told me that that is what you do, or you guys just wanted me to try it. And this is what I've been doing lately, because I wouldn't say it's easier. It's not really easier, but I don't know. I think I could shave my head with a razor faster than that, but it kind of, I don't know. Feeling a little something on your head makes you kind of think, hey, I really ain't bald, but yes, I am. But I don't know. It's up to y'all though. Y'all let me know what you think, or more importantly, let me know what y'all do in y'all routine. Get a conversation going down below if you guys want to. I do know there's a lot of people that still be DMing me on Instagram and stuff, asking questions. And a lot of the questions that new people ask, all the answers are on my channel, guys. Again, I've started this channel in like 2015. 2015, I already had a beard when I started the channel, but I cut the whole thing off and I just started regrowing it on camera. So every single thing that I've done, all the razors I've tested out, every clip or every time I've messed up, or not every time I messed up, but many of the times that I've messed up, if I did mess up on camera, there's videos of me messing up. There's me, you know, messing up, cutting too much of the beard off, then I got to make it even over here. It's me testing out millions of different not really millions, but a bunch of different products, you know. But thumbnail time, and we're gonna get up out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.